Did you know that more than 8.5 billion searches happen on Google every single day? And here's the real kicker. The top 3 paid search ads on Google get nearly 50% of all clicks. That's right. Businesses that leverage search engine marketing aren't just competing, they're dominating. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is SEM and how does it work? Is it just another fancy marketing term, or is it something that can truly transform businesses? Today, we're going deep into the world of SEM, breaking down its core principles, how it differs from SEO and social media advertising, and most importantly, how you can use it to drive massive traffic, leads, and sales. If you really want to take your SEM career to another level, enroll now in Transform Academy Limited Advanced Marketing courses via our website, www.whattransformacademyoffice.com. and unlock a high-paying career in digital marketing. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Transform Academy's YouTube channel for more expert insights. Now, let's get started. What is SEM and how does it work? Search engine marketing is one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing. Unlike SEO, which focuses on ranking organically over time, SEM allows businesses to buy their way to the top of search results instantly. It's all about pay-per-click advertising, where businesses bid on keywords, and when users search for those keywords, their ads appear at the very top. Think about it. How often do you scroll past the first few results when you search for something on Google? Rarely, right? That's exactly why businesses pay to be in those top spots. With SEM, companies can target their ideal audience at the very moment they're searching for a product or service. It's like having a billboard on the busiest highway in the world, but instead of hoping people see it, you only pay when someone actually clicks on it. But SEM isn't just about throwing money at Google ads and hoping for the best. It's a science. You need to understand keywords, bidding strategies, ad copy, landing pages, and user intent to make SEM work profitably. And that's exactly what we'll be diving into today. The role of paid search in digital marketing. Paid search isn't just another advertising channel, it's the backbone of many businesses. Some companies entirely rely on SEM for their revenue. Have you ever searched for best running shoes or cheap flights to New York and noticed the ads at the top? That's paid search at work. What makes SEM so powerful is its intent-driven nature. Unlike social media ads, where people are shown ads randomly while scrolling, SEM targets users at the exact moment they're searching for a product or service. This means higher conversion rates, better ROI, and measurable results. Let's compare it with traditional advertising. Imagine spending $50,000 on a billboard. You have zero control over who sees it. But with SEM, you could spend just $5 per click, ensuring that only highly interested users see your ad. That's why businesses love SEM. It's efficient, trackable, and scalable. But not all of SEM campaigns are successful. Many businesses lose thousands of dollars because they don't optimize their ads, target the wrong keywords, or fail to track performance. That's why understanding the mechanics of keyword research, quality scores, and ad relevancy is crucial. Now, you might be wondering, how much does SEM actually cost? The truth is, it depends. Some keywords cost as little as $0.50 per click, while others like best life insurance or personal injury lawyer can cost over $100 per click. That's right, just one click. But why is there such a massive difference? It all comes down to competition and user intent. Highly profitable industries like finance and law have businesses willing to pay top dollar for the best ad placements because one single customer could bring in thousands or even millions in revenue. On the other hand, a niche e-commerce business might only spend a few cents per click to get in front of their audience. This is why budgeting and bidding strategies are so crucial in SEM. If you spend too much on the wrong keywords, you'll burn through cash with little to show for it. If you spend too little, you might never gain traction. The key is finding the balance, maximizing visibility while keeping costs under control. And trust me, that's where the real skill in SEM comes into play. SEM's PPC is paid social advertising. Now, here's a common point of confusion. Is SEM the same as PPC? And how does it differ from paid social ads? SEM, search engine marketing, is an umbrella term that includes PPC, pay-per-click, advertising on search engines like Google Ads and Bing Ads. PPC is a model within SEM where you pay for every click your ad receives. Now, how is paid social advertising different? Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn offer paid ads, but they work differently. Unlike SEM, where ads appear based on keyword searches, social media ads appear based on user behavior, interests, and demographics. For example, let's say you're searching for a digital camera on Google. With SEM, you'll immediately see ads for cameras. But if you're just scrolling through Instagram, you might see an ad for a camera even if you weren't actively looking for one. Both SEM and social media ads have their place in a marketing strategy. but SEM is often more effective for capturing users who are ready to buy. Have you ever wondered why certain ads make you click instantly, while others don't even catch your attention? It's not by accident. The psychology behind SEM ads plays a huge role in whether a campaign succeeds or fails. The best SEM marketers don't just bid on keywords, they craft highly compelling, emotionally driven ad copy that hooks users immediately. Words like exclusive, limited time, free trial, and best rated trigger emotions that make people more likely to click. But it's not just about flashy words. Credibility, trust, and urgency all play a role. If a user is searching for best web hosting service, they're already in a buying mindset. An ad that says rated #1 for speed and security, 30-day money-back guarantee, will convert far better than a generic web hosting available. Click here. The key to high-converting SEM ads is understanding your audience's mindset at the exact moment they're searching. Are they looking for information? Are they ready to buy? Do they need reassurance? When you align your ad messaging with what your audience truly wants, that's when SEM works like magic. Overview of major SEM platforms. The biggest player in SEM is, of course, Google Ads. Google controls over 90% of the search engine market, making it the most powerful platform for paid search. If you want your business to be seen, Google Ads is non-negotiable. But what about other platforms? Bing Ads. While Bing has a smaller market share, ads on Bing are often cheaper and can reach an older, wealthier demographic. Yahoo Ads. Although not as popular as Google, Yahoo still serves millions of searches daily and can be a valuable addition to your SEM strategy. Amazon Ads. If you're in e-commerce, Amazon's advertising system can put your products in front of ready-to-buy customers. Each platform has unique advantages, but Google Ads dominates the SEM landscape. However, a successful SEM strategy isn't just about choosing a platform, it's about crafting high-quality ads that actually convert. Let's say someone clicks on your ad but doesn't buy immediately. Is that money wasted? Absolutely not, because this is where retargeting or remarketing comes in. Have you ever noticed that after visiting a website, you start seeing ads for that exact product everywhere on YouTube, social media, and even other websites? That's SEM retargeting at work. When a user clicks on an ad but doesn't convert, a small piece of code, a tracking pixel, is placed on their browser. This allows advertisers to follow up with more ads, keeping their product or service in the user's mind. Why is this important? Because most people don't buy on the first click. Studies show that it often takes 5-7 touch points before a potential customer finally converts. Without retargeting, a business could be losing thousands of potential sales. But with a well-optimized retargeting campaign, you can bring back those lost visitors, reinforce your brand, and dramatically increase your conversions. This is why SEM is more than just driving traffic. It's about capturing, nurturing, and converting users into paying customers over time. Why SEM is essential for businesses. Let's get one thing straight: if you're not using SEM, you're leaving money on the table. In today's digital world, competition is fierce, and businesses that don't invest in paid search risk being invisible. Think about it, your competitors are running SEM campaigns right now and taking clicks that could have been yours. Whether you're a small business or a global brand, SEM allows you to compete at any level by targeting your audience precisely. A well-optimized SEM campaign can generate instant traffic, increase brand visibility, and drive revenue faster than any other digital marketing channel. And here's the best part: SEM isn't just for businesses. If you're looking to build a career in digital marketing, mastering SEM can open doors to high-paying jobs in agencies, startups, and corporations. We've covered a lot today, from understanding what SEM is to how it works, the difference between PPC and social ads, and why it's a game changer in digital marketing. By now, it should be clear SEM isn't just an advertising method, it's a game changer for businesses. But beyond helping businesses, it's also an incredible career opportunity. Digital marketing is one of the fastest growing fields, and SEM specialists are in high demand. Whether you're a business owner looking to boost sales or someone looking to break into digital marketing, mastering SEM can open doors to high-paying jobs, freelance opportunities, and even starting your own agency. The beauty of SEM is that it's a skill you can learn and apply instantly. Unlike traditional marketing, where results take months, SEM allows you to test, tweak, and optimize in real time. Want proof? Many SEM specialists earn six-figure salaries or run profitable ad agencies just by mastering this one skill. And the best part? You don't need a degree, you just need the right knowledge, strategy, and practice. If you're serious about taking your SEM career to the next level, enroll now in Transform Academy limited advanced marketing courses via our website, www.whattransformacademyoffice.com, and start your journey to a high-paying career today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert digital marketing content. See you in the next video.